Hey everybody, Sans at Diesel Power Products. Today I have something really cool to share with you guys in the shop. In the shop today, I got this 2010 GMC Sierra LMN behind me. And if you guys have a 07 and up Silverado Sierra or kind of any GM SUV, and you go to your high beams and you notice it shuts your low beams and fog lights off all at the same time, it kind of reduces your available light in front of you. Today we have a product that is going to fix that. It's the Fleece all lights on module. It's just a small little module that's going to go into the wiring harness of your truck and then keep your low beams and fog lights on when you switch to your high beams. One of the nice things about this module is the quick and easy install. It's going to take you roughly 5 or 10 minutes. We're just tying 2 wires together underneath your dash. So I'm going to show you how to get it done on the truck. Alright everybody, just finished up the install on this Duramax behind me. Installation went quick and simple, from to be expected from our friends over at Fleece Performance. As you can see, the low beams, high beams, and fog lights are on. So you're going to be able to see whatever's out in front of you now driving at night when you got your high beams on, instead of just something way out there and not being able to see anything up close. So if you have any more questions on this product or anything else that we carry, shoot us a call, 888-993-4373, or visit us at dieselpowerproducts.com.